Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Marketing Fun Days. My name is Amandeep Kaur. I'm your digital friend and the founder of Digital Marketing Fun Days. In this channel, I will teach about all the tips and techniques of digital marketing, that how digital marketing work and how we can use digital marketing to promote our business online. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first question arises in our mind that what is marketing? In a simple words, marketing is the way to promote business and selling products with different techniques and ways. Marketing has two types, outbound marketing and inbound marketing. Outbound marketing is known as traditional marketing and offline marketing. This is very costly as compared to inbound marketing because we have to spend a lot of money on big hoardings, pamphlets, TV ads, and many more. In this, we can't able to target the right audience because we just display display banners and pamphlets. Mostly people ignore these kind of things, like we place our hoardings on the road, but people cannot give proper attention to these hoardings. In this marketing, we have to work hard and give more time and do door-to-door marketing to get clients. There are different ways and techniques of offline marketing are place hoardings, pasting flexes on road, audio announcements on auto rickshaws. On the other hand, inbound marketing is known as a digital marketing and online marketing. Inbound marketing is very cheap as compared to outbound marketing and provide best results in low cost because we will set up our ads budget according to our pocket. We will call it pocket friendly marketing. In this, we will target right audience related to our business and client will come to us. We does not need to go anywhere for clients. In this marketing, there is no hard work required. We will set everything in a just one clicks. Ways and techniques of digital marketing are SEO, PPC, SMM, social media marketing, SEM, ORM, affiliate marketing. These all kinds of components will help to get clients and also earn more money. So that's why digital marketing is best as compared to outbound marketing. Students should learn about digital marketing and earn more money from their expectations. Thank you.